Hemapriya. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about New Age Experiential Innovative Ideas, which was compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI. In this video, I'm going to share you a zero investment idea from the state, which was brought up from the state from Jammu and Kashmir. An innovative teacher will describe a case study called New Age Teaching Techniques. So when you talk about this teaching techniques, I think students will be more curious when teachers teach in different techniques. So there are a lot of teachers which will be teaching the same subjects in the same manner, where even the teacher will get bored as well as even the students will get bored. So a teacher wanted to make teaching techniques to be modernized. Not only that, there are like innovative ideas, which is like the innovative idea from the New Age techniques was geometrical shapes, teaching the geometrical shapes in a different manner. So I think when you talk about these geometrical shapes, so it is geometrical shapes such as circle, triangle, squares, rectangle. There are a lot of geometrical shapes. So when you teach those subjects, where it's the teacher responsibility is to relate them with the nature, or with the nature which is practically available. For example, when a teacher is talking about triangle or a rectangle, the teacher has to talk about how these shapes are. Once the teacher has been talking about these shapes, geometrical shapes, it is the responsibility to tell those, to relate those geometrical shapes with the doors or windows, or maybe with the with the chalk piece also. When you cut the chalk piece, how it is cylindrical form. So there are a lot of geometrical shapes. You can show them in a practical manner. Not only in a practical manner, there is another way of technique. Teaching these geometrical things in another way is the physical manner, which means a teacher will be telling everybody to stand up, and the teacher will be getting things. Students will be forming in a form of a circle, but teacher won't disclose that we will be standing in the form of circle. No, teacher will make everyone to stand, and that any one of the students has to tell that in what way we stand here, circle. And as well as the other teacher, and one of the teacher will also make them to stand in a rectangle, and students won't know that they are just standing there. So after forming a rectangle, and any individual students will be called, and that students has to notice what type of physical manner is this, what is the geometrical shape these students are standing in. So this is the way a teacher has to teach the students, which is relating the academics with the practical manner, which makes them the essence. They can learn better. They don't learn only for the examination. They will learn for the lifetime. They will understand what is circle. They will know what is triangle. Not only for the examination. It'll be that knowledge will be end of their life. So this is the way you can teach to the students. You can also implement these small innovative ideas in your classrooms. If you wanted to know more about our innovative ideas, you can subscribe to our channel called ZIIEI. If you're watching this video on the Facebook, make sure you like our page. Thank you so much for watching.